You're starting.
Are we starting all over again?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. All right.
Oh dear.
Go on, you get going.
Oh, what a gay day. Okay. Hi everybody. Good morning. This is Budgie's Bus. No, good morning everybody. This is Budgie's Bus.
Welcome to Budgie's Bus.
What a dipstick.
Go on. Take God knows how many.
27. Good morning. Welcome to Budgie's Bus.
My name's John.
And I'm Carol.
Well, we broke our duck this weekend. We managed to get away. And what a smashing weekend we had.
We met an awful lot of lovely people.
Yes, I'd like to thank Steve and Lindsay Radford of Roman Radfords for allowing us to park up in Camp Creator area. It was really nice to be among fellow YouTubers. We got there on the Thursday night and we met up with two people we've really been waiting to meet. They are also fellow Welshies. Well, I won't say Welshies because I'm English, but I've lived in Wales longer than I've lived in England, so I class myself as a Welsh countryman. I'm not a Welshman, but I live in Wales. But they are Di and Rhiann Watts of What's Occurring.
They are so funny. They're lovely.
What you see on their channel is what you get in real life. They are hilarious. We had a good night with them. I'm sorry, Di, we did stay up until gone 2 o'clock, and I think we both felt a bit worse aware when we went home. Well, went back into our campers. So you'll see a couple of clips and some photos in the video in a while. They are hilarious. We also met a lot of the YouTubers we subscribe to. We managed to get out on the Friday morning and walk about and meet them, but we didn't get a lot of footage, I'm sorry to say. We spent a lot of time in Camp Creator area. We spoke to so many people, it was unbelievable, and we took 400 stickers with us and we got rid of every single one. So it was
Batu.
Oh, Batu, okay. Our subscribers has gone up, so thank you for everyone that had subscribed from the weekend. It was a real pleasure meeting you all. It was really nice meeting some of our subscribers and getting their feedback. The biggest topic we had this weekend was our e-bikes, the electric bikes that we brought a while back. People couldn't believe the price of them. Rolling Books, I'd suggest going across and looking at theirs. They've got the newer version which don't have the suspension, like ours do. So we will be doing a follow-up review on that because so many people was interested in it. Like I say, we didn't get as much footage as we want, mainly due to spending so much time talking to people, but we also had very high wind, so I could only get the drone up twice for a short period to capture the size of the ground, and then of course we had a lot of rain on and off from Saturday night to Sunday morning. So unfortunately what we was going to film Sunday morning, as you'll see in the video, the same thing happened last year, which I think is a real shame for those that organised the event.
Yeah.
Last year in September We had a bit of rain on the Saturday night again. Sunday morning, most of the exhibition, or the exhibitors I should say, packed up and went home. So we lost a lot of Volkswagen footage on that one. And this year, Sunday morning, the same thing happened. I feel sorry for, like I say, for those that organised the event.
Plus
and
the ones that were going to come for that day.
That's it. A lot of people turned up on the day, paid to get in to see these exhibits, and they'd gone.
Yeah.
You know, if you're going to go there, please stay for the whole event. You know, it's not fair when people are paying money to come in to see, and then you go home. We stopped until 4:30.
Yeah.
On the Sunday, but anyway, let me just leave it there. Enjoy the video, and we'll be back at the end. One. Come on! As soon as I start filming. I hope you realise I'm going to get a lot more content out of this.
Girls, and they're like,
yeah, I was literally inspired.
It's sad when you got to come away and be a barmaid.
Come strangling me. Yes. You're actually strangling me. You.
Yeah, we're going to go do all that. I should have given you my card.
Hello. I saved baby with my
Sorry? They're nice, aren't they?
This is the lady that was doing the farming.
Yeah.
Go straight in from then.
Yeah, I'm not there. I'm not there.
Someone's charging the batteries.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for letting us do it, you know.
Eh? Yeah.
Thing is, I'm off the stage now. I don't know who's forgotten who we haven't.
We're finally getting up the road. Get the riffraff. I've got to get the riffraff, haven't I? See you later, Di.
I don't know why, I like that dog.
That is beautiful, isn't it?
It is.
beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, push Yeah, we'll look
Hey, there's plenty of big trucks out there that would just love to get the riches in and tie you up and pull. Yeah, they are waiting for you to get stuck. That's all, that's all.
Right, Darren.
They're just waiting. No, they'll drag you out.
Beard and beyond. Like that. I like it.
We haven't seen his beard. And his tat.
Oh wow! I like the moustache. I'd never get it mine to get like that. I end up chewing the ends.
Yeah, no, I had to curl it back because it's getting too far out here somewhere.
Oh wow!
So I have to rein it back in.
You must use a heck of a lot of blinking wax on that.
Yeah, you have to.
That's it. The only trouble is.
That's lovely now.
Well, they've been this.
That's cool, isn't it? They're like zombie apocalypse cars, aren't they?
Yeah, like that one is.
That's
you tonight. You're my cathedral sound, an ocean shrouds inside. When I'm with you, there's a million different pictures on my mind. When I'm with you, there's a million different stars in the sky. You're my cathedral sound, an ocean shrouds inside. All the cities that we've been, all the places that we've seen, done it all together. Cathedral sound, cathedral sound, together. Take my hand and we'll run on the road. Watch the flowers in the fields beside us grow. Lord knows what life will throw. As long as you're with me, girl, you'll have my hands to hold. 'Cause I had a heart of stone until I turned it gold.
There you go. Okay folks, there you go. The video is a bit fragmented, but I hope you enjoyed it. I know we enjoyed the weekend. If you don't mind, hit the like and subscribe button.
And the notification.
And the notification. It costs you nothing to subscribe. I'd like to thank everyone that subscribed up to now. We are over the weekend, we've jumped up to our triples figures. So that, yeah, that is brilliant. And like I said before, we took 400 stickers with us, and every one of them had gone. So, apart from 2, yes. Anyway, folks, you have a good time. Enjoy the weather when it comes back. Have a great summer. We're off in a few weeks to Spain and Portugal, so come along with us. We'll have our 2 grandkids with us, so we'll be basically dealing with what we want and them want. So that is it, really. Yeah, got anything to say?
No.
Makes a change. Anyway folks, take care, stay safe, and
Happy travelling.
happy travelling from me as well. So catch you in the next video. Thanks
Take
for
care.
watching.
Bye.
Bye for now.